Hello, my name is Scott Kiehn and I'm with Coldwell Banker, and I'm here to introduce our open houses this weekend. Very important weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend, so plan for that. Do something wonderful for mom. And we'll be out Saturday and Sunday. If you're looking for something to do, come out and visit us. Even if you're just going to do some remodeling or you want some new ideas on what's new and fresh in the marketplace, come out and have a look. We'd love to have you out there and have a great Mother's Day. Do you want me like this?
I don't remember you being this tall.
I'm sorry, I grew about 5 inches last week. I just need to stand up straighter. Okay, all right. I'm ready, are you?
I think so.
Oh, that's right. Can't say time. Okay. But if you're sitting around on Sunday afternoon, see? Outtakes.